Alright guys, now I'm going to show you how to refill Jardy's Easy Refill Cartridge CB455A, 436A, C388A and C858 Universal as efficiently and effectively as possible. Before we start, we have to prepare a clean cloth and a Jardy refill bottle. We have 3 simple steps that will take around 3 to 5 minutes. Some of our bottles already have the funnel on top to make it easier for you to pour into the cartridge. But before you do that, remember to remove the plastic from the bottle. Firstly, take the refill toner bottle and shake it. Then, tilt the cartridge up until you see the side hole and remove the cap. Then, remove the cap from the refill toner bottle and pour it into the hole. The bottle is easy to use due to the funnel provided. Then, place the cap back onto the cartridge and wipe the cartridge with a clean cloth. Secondly, remove the waste cap from the cartridge. Then, take the refill bottles we just used, shake all the waste back into the bottle. Once you've finished, place the cap back onto the waste compartment and then again, wipe the cartridge with a clean cloth. Finally, shake the cartridge several times and then place the cartridge back into the printer. This video is applicable for all other Jardy Easy Refill toner cartridges such as CE278A, CE505A and Q2612A. If you have any queries, please let me know down in the comments, and if you want to know more product information, visit jardytoner.com. Thank you and bye.